Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2003 Honda XR400R 400cc dirt bike. This bike is plated for street use. It's got front headlight and turn signals, same in the rear. It's a kickstart bike. Great sounding pipe, brand new rear tire. Just checked out in our service department. She's ready to go. Make your plated XR400 dreams come true for just $49.90. No financing on this bike. This is cash only. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. At any given time, we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.